In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare symbols on TradingView. First, open your browser and search for TradingView. In the results, click the official link that says TradingView, track all markets. Once you're on the site, use the products menu to access the main charting interface. That's where the comparison tools live and where we'll spend the rest of our time. With the chart open, look to the top toolbar and find the small plus sign icon. This is the compare or add symbol button. Click it to open the comparison panel. In the search field, start typing the symbol you want to line up with your current chart. This can be another stock, an index, a futures contract, a crypto pair, or even an ETF. Select the one you need from the list. Before you add it, choose how you want the comparison to appear. Same percent scale places both symbols on a normalized percent scale, so they start from the same baseline, and you can judge relative performance over the visible window. New price scale overlays the symbols on the same pane but gives the added symbol its own price axis, which helps when the price levels are very different. New pane puts the comparison in a separate chart panel below, keeping everything clean when the assets behave differently or have very different volatility. Pick the option that best matches your analysis, then apply it. You'll immediately see the comparison line or bars appear on your chart. If a settings panel is still open, click the close button to return to a clear view and confirm that the comparison is now active. A few helpful tips as you review the chart. You can fine-tune colors and line styles by clicking the symbol label in the legend, which makes it easier to tell series apart. If something looks off, try switching the time frame. Percent comparisons recalculate over the visible range, so changing the window can change the story you see. Remember that thinly traded or illiquid symbols may not line up well on lower time frames. When scales feel crowded, new pane is often the most readable choice, while new price scale keeps the overlay compact without mixing price axes. And when you're finished, you can always remove the comparison from the legend to return to the original view. That's it. You've searched for TradingView, opened the chart, used the plus icon, chosen your comparison display, and confirmed it on the chart. You're now ready to compare symbols confidently and clearly.